National income consists of gross domestic product, gross domestic regional bruto, gross national product, net national product, net national income, personal income, and disposable income. Gross domestic product or GDP is the total monetary or market value of all the finished goods and services produced within a country's borders in a specific time period. GDP formula. Expenditure approach is C plus I plus G plus NX. Income approach is total national income plus sales taxes plus depreciation plus net foreign factor income. Value added approach is gross value of output minus value of intermediate consumption.
Approach in finding GDP. The expenditure approach attempts to calculate GDP by evaluating the sum of all final goods and services purchased in an economy. The components of US GDP, identified as Y in equation form, include consumption, investment, government spending, and net export. The income approach is to measure the gross domestic product (GDP) based on the counter reality that all expenditures in an economy should equal to the total income generated by the production of all economic goods and services. It also assumes that there are four major factors of production in an economy that all revenues must go to one of these sources. Therefore, by adding all of the sources of income together, a quick estimate can be made of the total productive value of economic activity over a period. Adjustments must then be made for taxes, depreciation, and foreign factor payments. Value-added approach is simply the difference between the cost of inputs to production and the price of output at any particular stage in the overall production process.
Gross national product. Gross national product is an estimate of total value of all the final products and services thrown out in a given period by the means of production owned by a country's residents. And then this is the formula. C it means consumptions, I investment, G is government expenditure, X is net exports of or value of imports less value of exports. And then Z is net income or net income inflows from abroad less net income outflows to foreign countries. Okay, and then next slide is net national product. Net national product or NNP is the monetary value of finished goods and service produced by a country's citizens overseas and domestically in a given period. It is the equivalent of gross national product or GNP. The total value of a nation's annual output minus the amount of GNP required to process new goods to maintain existing stock, otherwise known as descriptions. NNP is GNP less depreciations.
Net national income. In national income accounting, net national income is net national product minus indirect tax. First, net national income encompasses the income of households, business, and the government. Net national income is defined as gross domestic product plus net receipt of wages, salaries, and property income from broad, minus the depreciation of fixed capital assets. But we like building machinery, transport equipment, and physical infrastructure, software and tear and obsolescence. NNI together with C plus I plus G plus together with N X together with plus net foreign factor income minus indirect tax minus manufactured capital depreciation, where C together with consumption, I together with investment, G together with government spending, and X together with net export minus import together with X minus M. Personal income. In economics, personal income refers to an individual's total earning from wages, investment, enterprises, and other ventures. It is the sum of all the incomes deciphered by all the individuals or households during a given period. Personal income together with salaries, slight wages deciphered plus interest deciphered plus rent deciphered plus dividends deciphered plus any transfer payment or .pi together NI minus tax on social security minus corporate tax minus undistributed profits plus social security benefits plus unemployment benefits plus welfare benefits.
Disposable income. Disposable income, also known as disposable personal income or DPI, is the amount of money that households have available for spending and saving after income tax have been accounted for. DPI is equal to personal income mean personal income tax. The sector of economy in Indonesia. ESIC or International Standard Industrial Classification classificates that Indonesia economy into several sectors or business fields, which are divided into three groups, including primary sector, such as agriculture, animal husbandry, forest and fisheries, mining and quarrying; secondary sector, such as processing industry, electricity, water and gas; tertiary sector, trade, hotels and restaurants, transportation and telecommunication; miscellaneous service.